Students, we have to solve now practice set 2.1. But before solving that, we need to brush up vertically opposite angles. Okay, dear. So, what do you mean by vertically opposite angles here? You can see, I'll just name it here. This is P, Q. Okay, I'll write it here. Q, R, and S. This is O. Now you can see this is POQ is been given as a 80 degree. POQ 80 degree दिया है. Now what is this here? SOR will also be 80 degree. This is said to be a vertically opposite angles. I repeat again. POQ. This POQ is congruent to SOR. Why? Because it is a vertically opposite angles. See, in the vertically opposite angles can only be formed on the collinear point. See, POR is a collinear point and QOS is also a collinear point. So, vertically opposite angles we say. So, therefore, as it is, this is congruent to this. So, SOR will also become 80 degree. AB 80 degree, AB. So, we will get SOR is 80 degree. Is it or not? Now, if I want to find this, how can I find it? You check, my dear. Look here, dear. This one. This angle plus this is together is forms a linear pair or not? You learned about the linear pair. This way it is this angle plus this angle is how much? 180 degree. तो यहाँ पे आप देखो ये जो है लीनियर पैर बन रहा है तो दिस प्लस दिस वन दिस प्लस दिस टुगेदर शुड बी 180 डिग्री. तो हमें क्या आएगा? ये 80 है तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? 100 डिग्री. सो वी विल बी राइटिंग लाइक दिस POQ लीनियर पैर लिखेंगे POQ प्लस POQ plus QOR. Okay, QOR equals to 180 degree. This is said to be a linear pair axiom, we say. Okay, pair of linear angles. Now here, what is this POQ? POQ we have been given as 80 degree. So we write 80 degree plus QOR. QOR we don't know. We have to find out equal to 180 degree. Now QOR equal to this 180 degree, this 80 degree comes here minus 80 degree, so that is 100 degree. तो QOR हमें कितना मिला? ये जो है 100 degree मिला है. अभी बोलो डियर, this is 100 means what will be this one? This is opposite angle to this one, na? By vertically opposite angle. So we will say QOR is congruent to POS. QOR is congruent to POS because it is a vertically opposite angle. Okay. So we get what? We get POS is also 100 degree. So we will write it POS is 100 degree. This is the same, this vertically opposite angles theorem. We are going to use it in the where? In the parallel lines also. Practice set 2.1. Yes. Practice set 2.1 here. It's given that this is a figure. In the figure, line RP is parallel to line MS. Can you see? RP is parallel to MS and line DK is the transversal. Okay, we have learnt about the parallel and the transversal. We always have to start the sum with the parallel and the transversal. And the DHP, see DHP is 85 degree. Find the measure of the following angles. Which and which angle? RHD. We need to find RHD. Let's see where is our RHD. See here. Yes, RHD. ये angle find out करना है. Okay. And second is PHG. हम फिगर के साथ ही जाएंगे PHG. ऐसे करना है तो ये भी फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन HGS. सी हियर H फिगर के साथ ही हाथ नहीं उठाने का. HG और वेर इज अवर S हियर? सी HGS. S इज दिस साइड, दैट मीन्स हियर दिस ऑल्सो HGS. तो ये वाला कवर्ड है. It is covered like this. So this one also we need to find. And MGK. See MGK where it is? MGK like this. So this angle also. So I have kept a dot here which all to be found here. Before this we can directly understand and write it here. Just 1 minute. 85 degree given here. So with this information we can find everything. Look my dear, here I have just now taught you the vertically opposite angle, right? So see my dear, this is the figure. You can see it seems to be it is in vertically opposite angle or not, this figure? Ye or ye? Yes. So this is 85 degree means this is also 85 degree. We will get it here. Yes. And now see what is this? This is forms a linear pair. Just now we have learnt. So this angle plus this angle should be how much? 180 degree. तो हम 180 डिग्री माइनस 85 करेंगे तो हमें ये मिल जाएगा 95 डिग्री. अभी ये मिल गया है ये वाला, तो दिस इज व्हाट? वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. सो अगेन यू विल गेट 95 डिग्री. तो यहाँ का तो हम सब फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं. दिस इज जस्ट ओरली वी आर डूइंग. वी नीड टू राइट द स्टेप्स हियर. So what is this? This is 85, this is 85, vertically opposite angle, and this formed by linear pair, and this is vertically opposite angle. Now tell me dear, how we can find here? Anyone knows? Yes, you can, because you remember we have learned ये जो ऊपर और ये जो ऊपर है corresponding angles करके हमने learn किया था. Yes, तो ये 85 है तो ये भी 85 डिग्री होगा क्योंकि this is a corresponding angles are congruent. अभी ये this is 85 degree means what will be this one? This is vertically opposite angle again, so you will get 85 degree here. So we have found everything, but we need to present it. Okay, I'm going to show how to be written this one. Let's start the sum. First, always you have to, this is the question part, we always have to start writing with the parallel lines and the transversal. Line RP is parallel to line MS. You can copy from the question also if you want. And line DK is the transversal. Once you have written this, we will start writing with the vertically opposite angles here. So what did I say? This is 85 degree, is it or not? So what we will do, we can first write the linear pair क्योंकि हमें ये नहीं चाहिए, this part चाहिए है ना, this one. So this and this together forms a what? Linear pair. So how we will write? DHP plus DHR. I repeat, DHP plus DHR equal to 180 degree. So DHP plus DHR equals to 180 degree. That is a linear pair. Okay, so once we have written what is DHP, it is given DHP is 85 degree. So I write it in its place. इसकी जगह पर लिखूंगी और DHR नहीं दिया है तो मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. इक्वल्स टू, तो 85 इस तरफ जाएगा, 180 डिग्री की तरफ जाएगा तो इट बिकम्स माइनस 85 डिग्री. एंड वंस यू सब्ट्रैक्टेड यू विल गेट अ 95 डिग्री हियर. So that is what DHR is 95 degree. See here, DHR. और RHD भी इसको बोल सकते हैं. DHR नहीं तो RHD. ओके डियर, H जो बीच में है वो नहीं बदलना है. R इधर आ सकता है, D इधर आ सकता है. हियर इट इज आस्क्ड RHD. इफ यू वांट यू कैन राइट दिस एज RHD ऑल्सो. इट इज द सेम वन, 95 डिग्री. सो वन वी हैव फाउंड इट. Now let's go for the other one. We want this, the red dotted also. This we got 95 just now. So this is 90. So I'll write it here. This is 95. We got it. So what you can say about this? These two are vertically opposite angle. So how should we write? DHR. Okay, angle DHR is congruent to what is its name? Opposite angle. ये आना चाहिए है ना. तो PHG. PHG. So you will write it vertically. Always have to write the reasons क्यों हम इसको congruent बोल रहे. देखो क्यों हम 180 डिग्री करके ऐसे बताना पड़ेगा. Vertically opposite angles. Now after writing this, what is, हमें DHR तो दे दिया है, हमें क्या चाहिए? PHG चाहिए. तो PHG equal to, you can directly write it, PHG equal to 85 degree. That's it. So second answers भी हमें मिल गया है. So we have found these two. Now where we have to go? We have to find this one. We have found it. Not, sorry, it's a PHG is how much dear? 95 degree. Sorry, it's 95 degree. Okay, ये 95 तो ये भी 95 डिग्री. ये हो चुका है. अभी ये फाइंड आउट करना है, this one. So what did I say? Tell you, you can go for two methods also, but I'll tell you this one. Corresponding angles. DHP, ये ऊपर का जो है DHP is congruent to HGS. DHP is congruent to HGS. Okay dear, see always कभी भी हम है ना corresponding angles लिख रहे हैं उसके पहले parallel line को एक और बार लिखना पड़ेगा. So line RP is parallel to what? Line MS फिर से लिखेंगे and DK is transversal. Then only we have to write the corresponding angles. Always you have to write this and then write the corresponding angles. So we say corresponding angles. Okay, here Why we are saying this is congruent? Because of corresponding. अभी क्या हो जाएगा? DHP is 85 डिग्री, तो डायरेक्टली हम लिख सकते हैं HGS is also 85 degree. So we have found the third one also. Let's go for the last one. See, this is 85 degree. तो ये क्या आएगा? हमने अभी फाइंड आउट किया ये 85 डिग्री है, तो ये क्या आएगा? ये भी 85 बिकॉज वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. इसका नाम क्या है? HGS. आई रिपीट, HGS is congruent to MGK. HGS is congruent to MGK. So this is vertically opposite angles. So I am writing this one. So once I have written this, I can write therefore we want to find out MGK is also 85 degrees. So we have found it the fourth one also. So have we find all the four angles? Yes. So you have to be very clear to name it. कैसे आपको नेमिंग करना है? एक बार नेमिंग करना आ गया आपको, सम्स आर वेरी इजी टू फाइंड आउट माय डियर.